Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and on this channel we go over everything budgeting. We do week budgeting and weekly cash stuffing. And as of late, I have been including this into my rotation every week, which is my Etsy income. So if that's what you're interested in, then keep on watching. I decided that I was going to upload these on Wednesdays for now. Obviously, I'm not sure if I will be able to have a weekly Etsy cash stuffing every week, whether I have any sales based on the previous week or not. But I plan on doing these every Wednesday if I do receive an income from Etsy. I receive an income every Monday is their paydays, and the Monday payday is for all of the previous week. So from the previous week for 7 days, and then I get paid on the Monday. So you have a choice to either get it paid once a month or every week. I vouched for every week, and then I thought that I could budget it because I am a weekly budgeter. I thought of including it in my other weekly budget, but I kind of want to keep it separate with my business envelopes. That's what I usually do for my YouTube. I also have a different YouTube channel on here where I have almost 10,000 subscribers. And if you guys are interested in that, I have the link down in my description, but I do go over my monthly income that I make from that YouTube channel. I have a lot of different different streams of revenue that I receive, and I do a separate video on that, and I kind of want to keep my business income separate than my personal income. So that is why I am doing this Etsy cash stuffing today. Now, my second week, of course, was a little bit lower than my first week. This is my new budget binder. If you would have seen me put together this business binder, I will link that video up here in the cards for you to watch, but I did create this new budget binder just for my business only. And we are going to go over the budget. I decided that I was going to finish off this book with using my Etsy income. I think in July I am going to start the Budget Moms Planner. So I thought that I would use up some of my pages towards the back with like my Etsy income and kind of utilize this for that. So let me just find the page that I am looking for, which is right here. And this is the income from June 13th to the 20th. It's actually to the 19th because today is the payday. So I got paid $31.26 for the week. Like I said, a little bit lower than the first week, but that is to be expected. And like I said, there will probably be weeks that I don't make an income. Therefore, you won't see a video from Etsy on Wednesdays. But for right now, this is how I'm going to do it, just to share with you with what I am making and what kind of income even a small Etsy shop owner can have. I'm telling you right now, if you are on the fence about starting an Etsy shop, if you're on the fence about starting a YouTube channel, just do it. There is no better time than now. Seriously, I have thought about my Etsy shop probably for a month or even 2 months about starting it. And you know what? I just ended up doing it. I took one whole day and dedicated it to really focusing in on opening up the shop, taking the pictures, figuring out my pricing, doing all of the things. Yes, it's a lot of work. Yes, it's overwhelming, but you just need to do it. Do it now and start now, because you can start making an income from it now. You can kind of work out all the tweaks as time goes on, but just start it. Just do it. I'm telling you right now. All right, so with that $31, obviously I didn't count the cents, but I did do the $31. And from that $31, I do 20% to taxes all the time. That is what my accountant suggested for me to do for my business. So $6 is going to my taxes. $5 is going to equipment and expenses. $10 will be going to giveaways. Nothing in my products, because I do have quite a bit of product that I have yet to sell. So I don't want to stock up on that until what I have is sold. And then shipping is getting $5. And it is a little bit of a smaller check, so I didn't allow any money to go to my envelope. But that's okay. If I'm thinking maybe if it's over $50 or something like that for the week, I will be able to allot some money for myself. But I did kind of want to start bulking my categories up that I need to. And, you know, it'll all come together and I'll be able to pay myself once that income does get a little bit higher. So that is what we are working with. That is how I figure out my budget. And that is what I look at when I am stuffing my cash envelopes. All right. I will have a video coming out shortly on how to start cash stuffing. I know that is a question that I get actually quite a bit, and I do plan on doing one of those videos on how I started. It's not necessarily, you know, everybody has their own way and you figure it out along the way. You know, same with when I tell you to start Etsy, start up that YouTube channel, just start. Same with budgeting, just start. I had I have such a different system now than my first week that I started. And I go back and look at my very first video, because that is literally when I started my cash stuffing, is on that video. That was my very first time ever. And I didn't even have a binder, like a one like this. I never even had like a budget binder or a budgeter. This one here is very inexpensive. It's like $13 off of Amazon. I always have it linked in my description. But I had made up my own like DIY paper and did it myself. And, you know, I've come a long way. And that's kind of the progress that you will have if you are new to budgeting, is you will find your own way and your own way to do things. But I will be doing that video hopefully very, very shortly as well too. All right, so first thing is first, we always like paying the taxes. That is at the very back here, and it is $6. So all of my money that I have here is all off to the side. It is all in fives today. So I'm going to add the $6 to taxes. And these envelopes here and also this binder is all on my Etsy shop if anybody is interested. I absolutely love this combination. This is the flowers envelopes. Now I also do have labels. I always like to explain this in my videos, but the labels consist of just literally a label that will fit inside of your A6 zipper envelope. You do receive this envelope as well as the label. It is laminated, and it's just easier because once you start, especially, you are going to be swapping out categories, trying to figure out what you need, what you don't need. And that is why I like the labels, because it doesn't ruin your zipper envelopes, and you can always reuse the envelope by just easily swapping out your category. So that is on my Etsy shop, as well as these ones here, which are the envelopes. So I did them also. These ones have a sunflower on the very back, but one of my customers had requested it to be clear on the back. So I actually made a couple of those ones, which I love as well. So if you do want it just a clear backing, just please let me know. Send me a message on Etsy and I can make that happen as well. All right, let's start from the beginning now. So in equipment, we will be putting $5. And in equipment, we now have $10, $15, and $20. And expenses is going to be getting $5 as well. And now in expenses, we have $15. And then we are adding $10 to giveaways. Like I said, I am going to be doing a giveaway on both. Once this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. And then once my other channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I will be doing a big giveaway. So that is what I am saving for. So right now we have $10, $15, $20, and $25 in giveaways. Next, we have products, which we are not stuffing anything in that because I already am pretty much good for all of my products. And then our next one is going to be shipping, and shipping I am going to be adding my last $5. So now in shipping we have $20 and $25. So shipping is one of those things that I find that I'm not spending a lot on, but there is items in my shop, especially if you're ordering just the envelopes or just the labels from Canada. If you are ordering them from Canada and no binder, it is free shipping. So, which is absolutely great. And then another thing on my when I ship internationally, whether it's to the US or to international, I do have a small fee that I charge for just shipping letter mail, because shipping letter mail can get expensive. My very, very first order was to Croatia and I had free shipping across the board. And it was, I think it was about 5 or 6 envelopes that I had mailed, and it cost me over $6 for just letter mail. Just for literally letter mail with a stamp on it, it was over $6. So that is why I increased my prices for the US and international. It literally is just the amount to cover the shipping, because it is so expensive. Even just to ship a letter to America is almost $3 just to send a letter, period. So, which, you know, I definitely don't mind. I just wanted to do like a flat rate. So whether you order 1 envelope or if you order 10 envelopes, it will still be that shipping cost. And then I just pay the extra shipping for that, which I don't mind. It's just that it was such, I was quite shocked when I went there and I realized that it was over $6 to ship it internationally, that I was like, I have to charge a little bit for my shipping. So that is it for today's video. Like I said, the binders and my envelopes are on my Etsy shop, so please check it out. I would absolutely love, love, love your support. It helps me in every way. You have no idea. So thank you so much to you that purchased from my Etsy shop, that I'm able to stuff this binder as well too, and keep my business going and still create an income for myself. Thank you very, very much. Make sure that you give this video a like and leave me a comment down below. See you next time.